Hey guys, so I'm going to do a vlog today just because I freaking feel like it and why not. So I'm currently getting ready. It is my stepdad's like weekend birthday thing. Let me see. Okay, come on. I'm brushing Maximino's hair. My nephews are in town, as you can see. My eyebrows look kind of dark, but they're gonna get lighter. Hopefully soon, later. So, like I was saying, sorry, I got interrupted. I had to send a text. But like I was saying, it's my stepdad's like birthday on Monday. So we're celebrating early this weekend, and we're going to throw him like a little bash, kind of. My sisters are coming over. My nephews were here all week and stuff, and we're just gonna like do a little dinner, have fun, you know. Then tomorrow we're gonna go down to the beach, and then on Monday we're gonna go like shopping and go to the mall and hang out and stuff. So I'm gonna vlog all 3 of those days because, you know, vibes. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to doing my makeup and stuff and telling my nephews to stop fighting. Anyways, bye-bye. Hey guys, so I actually finished my makeup. This is my makeup. But today I did a cute little glitter moment thing. I don't know. I was really feeling the glitter today. And then I'll show you guys my outfit right now. This is my outfit. So this is from Target. This little cute little shirt. These jeans are from Shein, and I'm gonna wear my sandals from Costco that I got. And then this bracelet is also from Shein. It says Aquarius on it. And then I'm gonna wear these cute little gold earrings, which are from Forever 21. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm still trying to figure that out because my hair looks kind of like a mess, and I was sweating earlier, so I put some dry shampoo in just so like I don't smell and stuff, but I don't know what to do right now, so I'm gonna search up something. And then I'll tell you guys what I end up doing, obviously. But yeah, that's the tea right now.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear Fanny. Happy birthday to you. Bravo!
So y'all, I didn't end up vlogging yesterday because I forgot. Everything just happened so fast. But today we're gonna go to the beach. Yeah. First of all, I want to sincerely apologize for the way I look in this clip because I look horrendous. I'm so sorry. But I was explaining that I didn't vlog the previous day because I was just distracted and there was a lot going on, and things just kind of happened. But I did vlog quite a bit at the beach, so I'm really excited about that. Also, if you want to see a little bit more different perspective of the beach or whatever, go follow my TikTok because it's lit over there. All right. What do you mean? Guys, we're finally at the beach. I didn't record in the car because I didn't feel like it. So I'm looking nice. And everyone's over here. Look, peep the gang.
Ahí está el ticket. Ya te dio el ticket, viejo.
We're getting our ticket. Okay, we got it. We're here. We're on the beach. We're sitting down. Maxie, say hi. Let me see.
Yeah, baby, I'll help you.
Ew! Go, put your head this way. it comes out.
Over there.
Over there. Daniel, go like this. Go that so it can come out. What do you mean why? I don't know what you're doing, baby. You playing with the sand? It looks fun. The water is so cold, though. Oh, should I put mine up?
It's so cold. They can.
Maxie, get back! Over here. Right here. Good footsies. I found this cute little rock. Taking it with me. Maxie! Your rod is covered.
Estamos maquillando para la función, ¿o qué?
Hey guys, so it is now around 9:30ish, and I've been home for a while now. I just wanted to update you guys on what ended up happening after the last clip. We ended up going back home, or well, back in the car, and then we went to In-N-Out, and then we went home. We went straight home, and my sister left with her boyfriend and her son, and she took my other nephews, and they went back to their dad's house. They were just spending a week with us and stuff. But yeah, they're all gone and everything, and I'm just laying in bed about to watch a movie, hopefully, if my internet stops acting dumb. But yeah, I'm just wanted to update you guys and let you know what ended up happening. So I was actually supposed to vlog the next day as well, but I didn't, just a really great YouTuber here, honestly. So sorry. But honestly, we didn't do much. We literally just went to the mall, and then we just came home, and we stayed home all day and just like chilled out and really didn't do much. But it was still a good day regardless, and my stepdad had a really good time, and so that's all that matters really. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Bye.